Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix unable to connect to NVIDIA. So, if you have this issue, it may be caused by network or server issues while you are trying to open NVIDIA GeForce Experience or while you are trying to update your drivers. So, the first thing that you can actually do is to try to turn off and turn on your network from here and see if that fixes your issue. Also, you can try to connect to a wired connection. You can check if your network connection is good by actually opening any website like YouTube or any other website. If it opens correctly, then the issue is not with your network. Also, you can try to open NVIDIA GeForce again to see if the issue is still there. Now, the next thing that you should try is to press the start menu or the start button and search for run. Open the run option, and now you need to search for services.msc. This menu will appear, so from here you need to actually scroll down till you find NVIDIA Container LS or Display Container or Network Container. After that, you need to right click on it and hit on restart. Also do the same for NVIDIA Local System Container as see from here. You can right click on it and hit on restart. So what this will actually do is to refresh the background services for NVIDIA. So if there's any problem with connectivity services, it will actually restart, and if there's any bug, it will drop. So if you're still having the issue, the last thing that we are going to do is to open the control panel. So just hop onto the start menu and search for control panel. You need to open it, and now from here you need to go to programs. Hit on programs and features, and now you need to find the NVIDIA app that is not running with you. So just find the NVIDIA app as see from here. If your problem is with NVIDIA app or with NVIDIA GeForce, you need to just right click on it and click on uninstall. After that, you can just search for the app again and install the latest version. So if there's any problem with the installation file, you can just reinstall it and it will fix all of your issues. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.